So, our vocabulary today, the first word is opposite. You know what the word opposite means in just everyday language, like hot and cold. Well, opposite in math kind of is the same thing. Negative and positive numbers are opposites. -7 and +7 are opposites. The other definition of opposite when it comes to numbers is they're an equal distance away from 0 on a number line. Like -7 is 7 units away from 0, and +7 is 7 units away from 0. The additive inverse, that's just a fancy word for the opposite of a number. Integers is the set of whole numbers and their opposites. It's all negative numbers, 0, and all positive numbers. An absolute value is the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. The absolute value sign is two straight vertical lines that look like that. Okay? So, graph the integer -7 and its opposite on a number line. The opposite of -7 is +7. Okay? And then all we have to do is make a mark on -7, make a mark on +7. And if you look, here is 0. There are 7 units here, and there are 7 units here, which shows that they are opposites because they are the same number of units away from 0. Compare the integers, use less than or greater than. You should know that positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So, whatever number is furthest to the right is going to be your larger number. So we have a mark here and we have a mark here. +4 is farther to the right, so 4 is greater than -4. Okay? -15, now on this one they're saying we have -15 and -9. Now -9 is farther to the right, so it's going to be greater than. But they have -15 is farther to the left, so because it's farther to the left, -15 is less than -9. So, number farthest right is greater. Use a number line to order the integers from least to greatest. Now this is real helpful because you mark all of these on the number line. We have -3, +6, -5, 2, 0, and -8. We're going from least to greatest, so we're going from left to right. And all we have to do is write down now the order of our x's. Our first x is at -8. Then we have one at -5, -3, 0, 2, and 6. And they're in order. If you were going to list these from greatest to least, you would start at the right and go to the left. Use a number line to find each absolute value. Now remember, the absolute value is the distance a number away is from 0. So, we have 8. And we have 0 here. That means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So the absolute value of 8 is 8. -12. We're going to mark -12 and we're going to count to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is 12 units away from 0. Because it's a distance, it's the distance away from 0, it's always going to be positive until you get further in math, like next year it might change a little bit. But for now, it's always going to be positive because we're talking about the distance. So you have 2 check it out problems. Those should go super fast, like 30 seconds fast. And you should be done with those.